Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable high graphics in Dude Theft Wars. To get high graphics in Dude Theft Wars, first of all, launch the Dude Theft Wars app on your device and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once it does, go to the right hand side corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, when it comes to your graphics, make sure that you've selected Ultra Experimental if it is supported by your device. If not, you can choose High and then go to the Resolution option and select it to the full. Drag the slider and select Full from the menu, and then on the right hand side corner, make sure to check this Shadows option, and finally once it's done, you can cross this menu and go ahead and join a single player or multiplayer match. So that's how you will be able to increase the graphic in Dude Theft Wars quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.